Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the engine of the Honda City 5th generation 2020 and what lies within this hood, what you're getting over here. As we're standing outside, first we'll talk about this exterior whole thing. You see the whole grille is over there, which completely differentiates from the 4th generation Honda City. And you're getting this L-shaped turn signals only in ZX model. You're not getting this in any other models of the Honda City as well. The 9 array LED lights, what you're getting over there, what you see, this is also something you're only gonna get in the ZX model and not in any other models of the Honda City. In the other models, you will only get the projector lights what other car has to offer. There is nothing else. The LED fog lamps, what you're getting over here, a long grill at the bottom. And I like the top grill as well, right under the wing, what you're getting on the Honda City. This wing, what you see, has become a signature mark for the Honda cars. All the Honda cars are now coming with this kind of grille. Now let's open the hood and see what in terms of engine you are getting in the Honda City 5th generation 2020 and what are the engine options. So let's start with the video. Looking at the engine, I would say, or I would prefer to have the engine to be closed completely, but this is not the case with the Honda. I don't know why, what's the reason behind it. If you guys know, please type down in the comment that what could be the reason keeping the engine open. Earth Dream technology platform, this engine is being made up on, and you are getting two engine options to select from: 1.5 liter ID Tech diesel engine and 1.5 liter petrol engine. You are getting 1498 cc in this car. Max power it produces is 97.89 bhp at 3600 rpm, and max torque power it produces is 200 newton meter at 1750 rpm only. You will get 4 number of cylinders in both the engines. You will get 4 valves per cylinders in both the engines. Guys, if you're driving in an eco mode, then only 3 cylinders will be activated. As soon as you leave the eco mode, the 4th cylinder will kick in. You are getting 6-speed manual gearbox in both diesel and petrol engines, but you are getting a 7-speed CVT automatic gearbox as well in the petrol engine only. If we talk about the fuel and performance, then diesel company claims is 24.1 kmpl, and in the petrol they claim 20.68 kmpl. But what I get in real life, I'm driving automatic CVT ZX model, which is a top model of Honda City 5th generation, and I'm getting about 12 to 14 you can say in the city, and I'm getting about 16 to 20 depending on how I drive on the highways. Now if we move on to the suspension, steering and brakes, then front suspension I'm getting MacPherson strut with coil spring, and rear suspension will be torsion beam with coil springs. Shock absorber types are telescopic, hydraulic, nitrogen gas filled. The steering type is electric. Telescoping can tilt both steering columns you're getting in this car. Steering gear type will be rack and pinion, and you will getting a front brakes would be ventilated disc, and the rear brakes you will get is drum. That was the overview about the engine, transmission, fuel performance, suspension, steering and brakes about the Honda City 5th generation 2020, what you're getting over here. I hope this information finds you well, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, please give a thumbs up to this video, and please share this video with as many as people possible. That will really help me a lot to grow. Thank you so much guys for giving your valuable time and watching this video. I keep sharing videos about the Honda City, which ultimately helps you take a better decision about the car, and I'm trying to give as much information as I can about this Honda City 2020. I am having a great experience driving this car. I hope you will too. If you have any questions, or if you want me to make a video on a specific thing, then please type down in the comment and I'll make sure that video happens. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, see you.